everyone, so welcome to my closet. So today I thought I would show you and share with you my favorite Japanese clothing brands. So if any of you are interested in Japanese clothing, if you are traveling to Japan and you want to know what kind of brands are out there and what kind of cute clothing you can get, I hope this video will be helpful for you. I keep my pretty clothes over here as well as the rack next to it. I'll quickly tell you about my style. So I usually like to wear girly, feminine, cute clothes. So that's why the brands that I will be showing you today are that kind of style. So the first brand I want to talk about is well-known Lisa, which is actually the brand where I worked for 2 months and then I decided to leave the company. I worked there in the main office in Japan. Yes, I did, and was in charge of EC and like e-commerce. So I was taking care of the English and Japanese websites and that kind of stuff. But I just realized that it's not something that I'm interested in, so that's why I left the company. But I still love the brand, so let me show you some of the pieces that I have. So I do have a lot of Lisa clothing. This is just some part of it. And if you do not know, or if you do know, I'm just gonna say that Lisa is well known for the very cute and very cute girly style with a lot of print. This is one of the dresses. This is more from the old collection, but this one is the ballerina inspired, so it has ballerinas and some flowers. And this is like the typical Lisa dress, so it has round neckline, frills here, some ribbons, buttons here, accentuated waist, long sleeves usually, unless it's a jump skirt, and this kind of dress. So it is quite short. If you're a tall girl, I am 169 centimeters long, I think, and these dresses will be quite short for me, so you have to be careful. If you're shorter, perfect. If you're taller, then maybe you want to try it on before you get it if you can, or be very careful because your butt can be showing. So yeah, but this is like the most typical Lisa dress with the beautiful print. So for example, I have this one, which again, you see it's the exact same design. They don't really change their designs that often, but this is more of like a florally like checkered print, and again, long sleeves. So I think these dresses are very beautiful. You don't have to like think too much of what to wear. If you have a dress like this, just put it on and you're good to go. So this is the toe shoes, whatever, dress, which I think is stunning, and it comes in 2 colors. It might be sold out at the moment. This wasn't really that popular of a dress. A lot of people didn't want to buy it, but I like this a lot. I think the print on this one is absolutely gorgeous with the toe shoes and the roses. And I have the one in color red. There's also one in white, which looks pink. I really don't remember. And another dress, which is more of a different kind of style, is this one. Again, has the same kind of style going on here. Beautiful frills here. And the best part is the skirt, which has this tulle material here and the little pearls all over it in the front and in the back, like this. And I think this is just a gorgeous dress. So apart from these long sleeve dresses, Lisa is also well known for its jumper skirts or jumper dresses. Let me show you a couple of those. So this one, for example, is my favorite. This is the honey bear print. You're supposed to wear a shirt or a blouse or something underneath. You don't have to. I usually just wear it like this and maybe put on a cardigan on top, and it's stretchy in the back. But the sizing here, the problem is with the sizes. So with most of the Japanese brands, but especially Lisa, they don't have that many sizes, and a lot of them are free sizes, which is a common thing in Japan in general. So if you are a bigger girl, or if you have chest like I do, for example, for me it's really hard to fit in the dress just because of the chest. Like everything else fits and the chest doesn't. So be very careful and look at the measurements before you buy anything, especially online. I love how summery it is with the bears and the cute little lemon drinks and stuff. I don't remember the name of this one, but this is the grape theme. So as you can see, they're all same style, just different prints basically. And this is like a burgundy-ish dark pink grape kind of color, and it has grapes and baskets and flowers. And this is how it looks like in the back. And this one is quite short on me because again, they're all free sizes, and if you were taller, then regular Japanese girl size, it might be a little bit problematic, but be careful when you get this kind of stuff. This has heart wreaths and like some flowers and fruits and lemons and stuff like that. Very summery, perfect for summer. And most of the times you can find these kind of dresses on sale, so yeah, extremely popular. And this one you can actually get in the bigger size. So they usually have the small size, like the free size, and this one is M, which fits me. Yes. This is the bath time rabbit design. So it has a cute little rabbit that is taking a bath. How cute is that? I love this dress, and the fact that it actually fits me perfectly and I don't have to squeeze my boobs in there is very nice. And it has this cute little ribbon bow in the back, which gives a really cute detail to it. Lise is not just these cute girly dresses, they also have more of a simple clothing. For example, this is the skirt that I really like. This is a tweed skirt from the fall winter collection, and it's very beautiful. Look, it has a zipper in the back. Again, with the sizes, be very careful, but this, I like the little details. And as you can see, this is more of a wearable skirt. You don't have to be too courageous to wear this kind of stuff. Well, this is the winter collection sweater, which is very simple. You can detach these if you don't want to have these little pearls hanging, but I think this is a very beautiful detail. And it has this fur little sleeve, so in the winter I used to wear this a lot. Moving on, my next favorite brand is Swan Kiss, which is also very popular. They have only one store in Tokyo, in Shibuya 109, and they have online sellers, so you can get this online. I'm not sure if they have international shipping, so this one you might have to actually be in Japan to get this. But Swan Kiss is a very beautiful brand that has girly clothing, but they're more mature-ish, more sophisticated. You can find, again, very beautiful prints and interesting designs, but they are not so like girly cute kind of thing. And my favorite dress probably of all time is this. So this is a tweed dress, kind of like has Chanel vibes to it, and it's short sleeve. It has these beautiful details. What's very noticeable about Swan Kiss clothing is that they always have pearls or these beautiful like bejeweled kind of decorations or something like that. I love this. This looks really beautiful on. It kind of makes your figure look really nice, and it's very sophisticated, very mature, but at the same time you can definitely see that it's girly and it's pink. And this dress also comes in white and blue, I think. So yeah, their clothing is not too expensive. I would say it's more of a affordable side. It's not anything crazy. It's not like a designer clothing or anything like that. So if you're interested in seeing how these items look on the person, please go into my Instagram and you can find a lot of these dresses when I was wearing them, so you can see how it looks. But this is another dress from Swan Kiss, and this part buttons up like this, and it has an off shoulder, so the shoulder is open, but then you have this little sleeve right here, and it's lacy, very girly, has frills at the bottom. Another Swan Kiss dress that I really like is this one. This is more of a summery dress and very interesting design. So it has a fabric like this, and the best part of course is the top. So it's decorated with this tulle kind of material and these gorgeous flowers. And I wore this in the summer when I went to Enoshima. This is the dress, and this is more mature kind of look, so there is no open neckline, a very long skirt, again tulle material, beautiful decorations. Yes, so this is kind of like, this is how Swan Kiss dresses look like. My other favorite clothing item from Swan Kiss is this coat, which is such a statement piece. Look at this. So it's just a pink short fur coat with pearls here and on the pockets, and the buttons are like this. So very beautiful. This is such a warm coat. I wore this all winter. It was perfect. It looks very nice. So yeah, so that is all for Swan Kiss clothing. So now let's move on to the next brand, which is called Femme, and they're also very popular, and their style is very different. So they have the cute style, they have vintage style, they have more casual style and more Lolita kind of clothing, so you can definitely find something that will suit you. So let me show you some of my favorite dresses. So for example, this is the first dress from Femme, and it has a really long skirt. It kind of goes above the knee a little bit. It has beautiful lacy sleeves and the detailing. The print is not too crazy, so this is for me like a more of a casual dress. It's something that I would just wear like if I'm going out somewhere, but not too fancy. Very, very nice, and their sizes are a lot more suitable for foreign people if you're taller or if you're a little bit bigger. Another of my favorites from Femme is this dress, and they have really intricate designs. This, I don't even know what is going on here. It's like some flowers, and again, long sleeve, long skirt, so this is more of like a mature kind of. I really like this dress. Another one of my favorites is this one. So this one comes with a slip dress under because the cut is quite low, so this is actually really useful because if you have any other see-through dresses, you can just take this one. But this dress is just gorgeous. I think it has shorter sleeve. Look how beautiful it is, and again, long skirt, and the design is very nice. It's like embroidery, so this is very easy to wear, I think, because it's just a plain color with a little bit of details, nothing too crazy. And yeah, so Femme is a good brand for those who want to be very girly, still enjoy Japanese fashion, but not be too crazy. Last brand recommendation for this video would be UNK Rouge, which is kind of like a competitor brand for Weasley, but I feel like their vibe is a little bit more different. So UNK Rouge has more of a still cute but more of edgy, sometimes more black, more gothic kind of like look, I feel like, but it's definitely not as pink and girly as Lisa is, but still they consider to be competitors. So let me show you a couple of dresses that I like. So I bought these a while ago, so they're probably not available anymore, but it's a little bit hard to pull off just because look how high the chest line is, and for Japanese girls it's not a problem. As you may know, Japanese girls are quite flat, if you know what I mean, so for them it's not a problem. But if you are a foreign girl that has something in this region, then please be careful because it can make you look weird, but it works for this one at least. I love the sleeve design, how it's very flowy and girly, and the whole dress is just very, very nice and breezy. So I like this one a lot. This dress, and I wore this dress when I was graduating university, so this was quite a while ago. And again, this is a very girly dress. It has stars all over it, and the sleeves are very interesting. They're see-through, and the same design goes all over. And there's a little moon right here. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, so again, it's a shorter skirt, but it's short enough to where you can actually wear it, because with Lisa, as I said, sometimes it's way too short. That is pretty much it. I hope that this was helpful for you and interesting in some way, and I hope that you learned a little bit more about Japanese brands. If you have any kind of questions, please let me know in the comments below. I would love to help you if you're interested in anything. And yes, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!